Good morning all. In our last class, we discussed about chemical properties of metal and non-metals. Is it? Yes. We discussed reaction of metals with oxygen. Is it? Today we are going to discuss about reaction of non-metal with oxygen. Reaction of non-metals with oxygen. Here, non-metals react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxide. Okay. Here, non-metal is react with oxygen to form non-metallic oxide. These non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Okay, students, we will see one experiment. That experiment shows non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature.
Okay, students, take one glass jar and this is deflagrating spoon with lid. Okay, students, take some sulfur powder in a deflagrating spoon. Then heat the sulfur. When we heat the sulfur, sulfur is react with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide gas. Okay. This sulfur dioxide gas is collected into this jar. After some time, we will remove the deflagrated spoon from this jar. Then add some water to the jar. Here, sulfur dioxide gases react with water, then form sulfurous acid. Then when we dip the blue litmus paper into the solution, here that blue litmus paper turns red. That means the solution is acidic in nature.
Okay, students, from this experiment, we understand sulfur dioxides are acidic in nature. Is it? See, when we heat the sulfur, what happens? The sulfur is react with oxygen to form sulfur dioxide gas. Is it? Yes, we collect sulfur dioxide into glass jar. The sulfur dioxide is react with water to form sulfurous acid. Okay, when we dip blue litmus paper to sulfurous acid, what happened? That blue litmus paper turns red. So, the sulfurous acid turns blue litmus paper to red. Okay, from this we understand non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Okay, non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, students, the next one is reaction of metals with water. Here, when we treat the metal with water, what happens? The metal is react with water to form metal hydroxide. Along with the formation of metal hydroxide, it will liberate hydrogen gas. Okay, here metal is react with water to form metal hydroxide and liberate hydrogen gas. For example, sodium and potassium. You already know sodium and potassium are very highly reactive metals. Is it? Yes. When we treat the sodium with water, it will react with water, then form sodium hydroxide. Along with the formation of sodium hydroxide, it will liberate hydrogen gas. Okay. See, sodium is react with water. Even it is cold water, then the sodium is also react. So, sodium is react with water to form sodium hydroxide. Along with the formation of sodium hydroxide, it will liberate hydrogen gas. Okay, the next is potassium. Potassium also react with water to form potassium hydroxide. Along with the formation of potassium hydroxide, it will liberate hydrogen gas. Okay, students, the sodium and potassium are very highly reactive metals. Okay, when we put the sodium and potassium into water, what happens? It will liberate lot of heat. Okay, because of this heat liberation, this hydrogen gas may catch fire. Okay, students, avoid this, we keep the sodium and potassium in kerosene. Okay, so sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene. In laboratory, we store the sodium and potassium in kerosene. Okay, so if we store this potassium and sodium in kerosene, the sodium and potassium will not react with kerosene and they will not catch fire. Okay, all of you understand this? Okay, students, in our next class, we discussed more about this topic. Okay, we will see in our next class. Thank you.